To automatically save screenshot to your clipboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to save screenshot to clipboard to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. Now try taking a screenshot. And then open the clipboard from an app where you can tap with your Samsung keyboard or from the clipboard panel in the Edge panel. You can see that the screenshot you take has been saved to the clipboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.